Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl 𝐂𝐑𝐀𝐙𝐈𝐄𝐒. I am a YouTuber and also an actress. Well, you guys know what this video is all about. It's a new week, new install, new review. So this week is actually a 360 week from OMG Her Hair. This is the first time I'm ever going to get a wig this pretty, because this hair is so gorgeous. It's super beautiful. It is 360, it is 22 inches, and it is kinky curly wig. And guys, this hair literally looks like my natural hair. Like, I could deceive people and tell them that this is my natural hair when it's not. It's so fine. Like, I'm so impressed. Honestly, OMG, take your flower. OMG Our Hair, take your flowers. So basically, this video is an installation video. I just used a melting spray on the front hair, and I left the back glueless. Nothing was used at the back. The hair is completely glueless. We just used a melting spray and we achieved this gorgeousness, guys. I'm so happy. So the wig came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. Guys, if you want to get all the juicy information about this wig, just stick around, watch the video till the end, and you'll see basically all I did to get to this level. It wasn't much. This was a pretty install, like pretty easy install for, I would even say, beginners, because I'm actually a beginner when it comes to this wig installation and everything. I don't really know much. So guys, just stick around, watch the video, and comment below if you really like the video, the wig as well, because I do. Yeah, thank you.
So this packaging is not entirely new to us, but yeah, it came with some goodies as well. The melting band for your lace, then the HD wig cap. We also have a tail comb and a thank you note. So the wig came fully secured in this dust bag. It is 22 inches in length, 150% density, kinky curly, 360, and as always, HD lace wig. That's one of the reasons I like OMG Her Hair, and that's one of the reasons I always work with this brand. So here I'm just showing you the structure of the wig. It also came with this adjustable and removable strap. Then we have this sticker to help keep your hair firmly intact behind. Then we have the invisible drawstring, because like I said, the wig is going to be glueless, so we're not going to be putting any glue behind. We only have to draw the drawstring, then hide it, and we're good to go. So right here, I'm using my hand to comb through the wig to ensure that it is not shedding. So I also had to try the wig first before I do anything. Let me know what exactly I'm to work with. And you guys know that anytime I have like a 360 or a full frontal installation, I always call like a hairstylist. Well, for some reason, I wanted to try my luck with this one, and I think I did a pretty good job. So here we're using the lace tint mousse instead of our regular contour stick. I wanted to try something different. One more thing, I actually called my hairstylist and she was guiding me in the whole process, because you guys know that I'm not so good at installation like for a full frontal, but I just wanted to do it myself this time around. So yeah, I'm using the lace tint mousse both on the back and the front of the lace. Then I went in with my hair dryer to dry the tint because it was a bit wet. Then I had to brush out the edges because it was a lot. It was quite a lot, and I don't want it to look very tacky. I wanted it to look clean and natural, so that was why I had to brush it, because I believe nobody's natural hair looks like that. So I also brushed the back of the hair, the edges, well, I call it edges, but yeah, the hair behind the wig. I brushed that as well, and I tried on the wig again, and look at how it looks. You guys can tell that it's a lot, the edges, it's a lot. But yeah, this is the drawstring. I'm showing you. You draw it. When you're done drawing the drawstring, you fix it behind. So I had to trim off part of the edges because, like I said, it was a lot, and the aim is for it to look as natural as possible. We don't want to walk around looking like let's see, I don't know what to call it, but yeah, at this point I had trimmed the edges a lot and it looked good. So I went in with this lace melting spray. Yes, I went in with it, sprayed. I think I just sprayed the sides. I didn't really spray the top part of the hair. I just sprayed the sides of the hair. I sprayed it, sprayed. Then I went in with my hair dryer. Guys, this process is very easy. Like when you watch the video, you see that it's quite easy and it's understandable. All you just need to do is watch the video, and obviously you can see that it's not too difficult to do. So yeah, enjoy, sit, relax, and enjoy the video, and make sure you rate my installation. So at this point, I was still using the hand dryer to make sure that the melting spray I used had dried to an extent before I use my melting band. And I used this random one first to tie the wig firmly before I used the one that OMG Her Hair gifted me, which you're going to see. Yes, so I also used this one because I want the wig to be like firm, like the melting spray to hold very, very well. So I wanted to style the wig, but I had to use water to just soften the wig because I wanted to look a lot fluffy and clean. So I used water. I also used a conditioner, which I did not show. But yeah, I was trying to pack the hair up because it's 360. You guys obviously have to see that it's 360. What's the essence of a 360 wig if you cannot do like a high bun or a ponytail? So I had to pack the hair. Then now I'm taking off the band because, oh my goodness, that thing was too tight. Yeah, look at this. So if you can see the glue, like the spray I used, the melting spray I used, it was a lot, like it was kind of like too much. So I brushed out a little, but look at the back of this wig. Look at how it looks. And I did not use anything. I did not use a spray. I did not use a glue, but look at that. That's because they gave me a quality wig look for you to see. And that's how your hair will look when you get this wig. You guys, I trimmed off some part of the wig, but yeah, if you want to pack your hair into a bun, this is how it's going to come out. I think I did a pretty good job, if I'm not lying. I had to brush out the edges because the melting spray I used was too much, so I brushed that out a little. But I was feeling myself. I loved this wig. Absolutely loved. So yes, this is the final look. Do we love this wig? And as always, I'll be looking forward to your comments in the comment section. So tell me, will you be purchasing this wig? You definitely should be purchasing this wig, and for that reason, I'll be leaving all the information in the description box. All you need to do is check the description box. So yes, I also brought down the hair. I wanted you guys to see what it looks like when it is not packed. I made sure I sprayed water, used a conditioner. So if you want your hair to not look too full, you could as well use like a lot of conditioner on it and it wouldn't have this very full look. But like I've told you guys so many times, I like my hair to look very full and fluffy, but this is what it looks like. This hair is so pretty, and look at the back of the wig. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.
They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down.